embark on a journey through the realm of innovation with the coolest tech gadgets on Amazon. From revolutionary smart devices to futuristic accessories, explore the latest in cutting-edge technology. Don't miss out on the excitement. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the hottest tech trends. Imagine waking up to a tiny but powerful friend on your bedside table. That's the Vobot Mini Dock. This little wonder isn't just an alarm clock. It's your personal assistant. With its sleek design and vibrant display, it brings life to any room. Set alarms, check the weather, or even play your favorite tunes with just a voice command. And guess what? It even charges your phone while you sleep. At just $39, it's a steal for the convenience it offers. After a long day of intense workouts or just soaking in the sun, nothing beats the refreshing chill of the ColdPod XL Portable Ice Bath. Dipping into a rejuvenating pool of icy goodness, soothing your muscles and invigorating your senses. Its portable design means you can enjoy the icy plunge wherever you go, whether it's post-workout at the gym or a sunny day at the beach. Priced at $199, it's a small investment for the big benefits it brings to your relaxation routine. Movie nights on the couch just got even better with the TASITRD Couch Cup Holder Tray. No more balancing acts or spills ruining your binge-watching experience. This ingenious tray neatly attaches to your couch, providing a stable platform for your drinks, snacks, and remote controls. With its convenient compartments and sturdy build, it's a game-changer for your living room setup. And the best part? It's only $24, making it a must-have for any movie enthusiast. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to cozy movie nights. Get ready to revolutionize the way you measure and create with the HOZO design NeoRulerGO. This isn't just your ordinary ruler, it's a creative powerhouse. With its sleek design and innovative features, it's perfect for artists, architects, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Say goodbye to traditional measuring tools and hello to precision and convenience. Plus, it's portable and lightweight, making it ideal for on-the-go projects. Priced at $29, it's a small investment for big possibilities in your creative endeavors. Tired of soggy sandwiches and lukewarm leftovers? Say hello to the LunchEAZE Electric Lunchbox, your new lunchtime companion. This innovative gadget takes meal prep to a whole new level. With its heating element and insulated design, it keeps your food warm and fresh until you're ready to dig in. Whether you're at work, school, or on a road trip, enjoy hot and delicious meals anytime, anywhere. At just $49, it's a game changer for busy individuals who crave convenience and flavor on the go. Adventure awaits with the WEIXIER Waterproof Oxford Fabric Waist Bag, your trusty companion for outdoor escapades. This rugged yet stylish waist bag is designed to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Made from waterproof Oxford fabric, it keeps your essentials safe and dry, whether you're hiking, biking, or exploring the great outdoors. With multiple compartments and a comfortable fit, it's perfect for storing your phone, wallet, keys, and more. Priced at $19, it's an affordable essential for every outdoor enthusiast's arsenal. Gear up and embrace the wilderness with confidence. In the bustling heart of the city, amidst the chaotic rhythm of life, there exists a timepiece that dances to its own beat, the MUSANFIGO Automatic Hollow Mechanical Watch. Its intricate gears, like tiny dancers, twirl gracefully behind a crystal-clear facade, inviting you to peer into the mesmerizing world of timekeeping. With each tick and talk, it whispers tales of precision and elegance, a symphony of craftsmanship that transcends the ordinary. Whether you're conquering the boardroom or strolling through the park, this watch is more than just an accessory. It's a companion that adds a touch of magic to every moment. And it costs $150. Imagine a steampunk time machine shrunken down to fit on your desk. That's the Nixie Tube Smart Clock. This mesmerizing gadget combines vintage charm with modern tech, featuring glowing tubes that display the time with a warm, nostalgic glow. It's like having a piece of history ticking away in your living room. Each tube lights up with vibrant, old-school digits that seem almost alive, bringing a bit of retro sci-fi magic into your daily routine. Whether it's impressing your guests or just making you smile every time you check the time, this clock is a conversation starter and a true work of art. For around $150, it's not just a clock, it's a portal to a different era. Once upon a time in the vast ocean of creativity, there sailed a marvel like no other, the Titanic liquid wave cruise ship bottle. Imagine this, a miniature replica of the iconic Titanic, but with a twist. Instead of passengers, it carries a cargo of delightful liquid waves. As you hold it in your hands, you can almost feel the gentle sway of the ocean. At just $19, this bottle brings the majesty of the Titanic into your hands, captivating you with its intricate design and mesmerizing liquid display. With every tilt, you'll be transported back to that fateful voyage, but fear not. This time, you're the captain, steering the ship through tranquil seas. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a decorative piece. It's also a functional water bottle, keeping you hydrated on your own adventures. Imagine this. You're on a camping trip, miles away from the hustle and bustle of city life. As the sun sets and the campfire crackles, you realize your inflatable mattress is still flat. Panic? Not at all, because you have the Stansport solar rechargeable pump. This little marvel, priced at around $32, is a camper's dream come true. During the day, it soaks up the sun's rays, storing energy like a diligent little squirrel hoarding nuts for winter. When night falls, it's ready to inflate your mattress with a satisfying whoosh. No more huffing and puffing, just pure relaxation. And it's not just for mattresses. Think inflatable boats, pool toys, anything that needs air. Imagine you've just finished a marathon gaming session or a long Zoom meeting and you're ready to call it a day. But where do you put those headphones? Enter the Swivel headset holder, a genius little gadget that keeps your desk tidy and your headset within reach. This holder attaches to the side of your desk and swivels out when you need it, then tucks away discreetly when you don't. It's like having a personal butler for your headphones. With a sturdy build and sleek design, it's the unsung hero of any workspace. For about $15, it's a small investment for a huge upgrade in your desk organization game. Ever felt like you're lugging around a water bottle the size of a small child? Enter the Collapsible Sports Water Bottle, a marvel of modern hydration engineering priced at just $18. This isn't just any water bottle, it's a shape-shifting genius. Imagine finishing your workout, then casually collapsing your bottle from full size to pocket-sized with a satisfying squish. It's like watching a magic trick every time. Made from durable, BPA-free silicone, it's tough enough to withstand the rigors of your active lifestyle while being flexible enough to fold down when empty. Think of the space you'll save in your bag and the envious glances you'll get at the gym. Whether you're hiking, biking, or just commuting, this bottle adapts to your needs, expanding to keep you hydrated and shrinking to fit into your pocket once you're done. Stay refreshed, stay compact, and stay ahead of the game with this ingenious water bottle.